Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace an LED light assembly in your refrigerator, be sure to unplug the power cord. Use tape to help protect the interior liner or icebox. Use a putty knife and a flathead screwdriver to depress the 3 retaining tabs on both sides of the old light assembly to detach. Disconnect the wire connector to fully remove. Install the new LED light assembly by first connecting the wire connector. With the lens deflector lines facing outward, feed the wire and connector into the liner cavity or the icebox as you snap the assembly into place. Plug the power cord back in, and your refrigerator should be ready for use.